Hi, my name is Lady Sanchez. If I could have any job, I think I would like to be a chef. I think because I really enjoy cooking, supervising the preparation of food, organizing and decorating food. Another reason is that because I can discover new flavors and interact with many people. I think most important job I have a job is the flower company and as production technician since I am in charge of planning, organizing and developing the production and distribution progress. I like is that into pride everything I know and learn I learn from the people around me. Thank you.